Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the device and opening settings, then tap Accounts or Users and Accounts. This gives you immediate access to any Google entries. Once done, scan the list for labels like Google, Gmail, or Play Store because those indicate a synced account. Make sure you can authenticate with the device lock when a detailed view is required, since Android restricts account details without the PIN or biometric. This step reveals the primary email address used for sync and backup. Next, you open core apps like Gmail, Play Store, or Chrome to confirm which email is signed in. Apps often show the address at the top. Then go back to Settings, tap the Google account entry, and choose Account Sync to see what data types were syncing. That helps explain why the account was used. After that, navigate to Settings, Manage your Google account, and check Personal Info to confirm name and recovery options. These details help you decide whether to recover or remove the account. To finish, decide whether to recover access or remove the account. If you need the email, use the address or recovery phone in Google Account Recovery. Follow the prompts to reset the password. If you want a fresh setup, remove the account from Settings Accounts Google, then add the correct account. If the account isn't visible, make sure device admin isn't hiding it and check additional user profiles. If problems persist, try rebooting and rechecking, or use another device to perform recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.